Hello friends. In this tutorial I will show to you how to fix mining pool connection error, no response from mining pool on Hive OS mining rig. To fix this error, restart your mining rig. At the time of restart, go to your Hive OS web page, click on the LAN configuration icon at the top of the page. Change toggle switch DHCP to static. And to change your IP address, add an IP that is not used by any device on the network. When it starts, the problem may be solved. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.